Today we're checking out the brand new 25-liter Citta backpack from Fyro, a sleek, hybrid, everyday carry travel bag from the guy behind Nomad's Nation. The Fyro Citta comes in at 17 inches by 12 inches by 8 inches with a total capacity of 25 liters, and the bag weighs 2.5 pounds. The exterior is made with VX42, a technical fabric from X-Pac, and the bag features industry standard YKK zippers. It comes in one colorway that you see here, and is also available in an 18-liter size made with Codra nylon, if you're looking for something a little bit smaller. The 25-liter version of this bag will retail for $299 US during launch week. Now, let's quickly check out the features of this bag. You've got some subtle Fyro branding on the front, a quick access pocket with a key leash on the side, a hidden passport pocket on the back, a luggage pass-through, super comfortable, beefy shoulder straps, a sternum strap, a grab handle on the top, a water bottle pocket on the side, a top fleece-lined quick access pocket, a laptop compartment with a false bottom, a zippered accessory pocket, a front admin panel with 3 zippered pockets, and a large clamshell style pocket with a tablet sleeve and 2 zippered pockets. Now let's pack this thing up for a 2-week trip to see what we can fit inside. Remember, everybody packs differently, so be sure to envision what you would bring along as I pack this thing out. Also to note, I bring laundry strips to do sink laundry about halfway through the trip, so we'll be packing 6 days worth of clothing in addition to the clothes on my body. So that's the brand new 25-liter Citta backpack from Fyro. And for such an unassuming bag, this thing is a true travel powerhouse. While it's marketed as a hybrid everyday carry travel backpack, I think this thing is really going to be best for travel because it's simple, durable, and extremely comfortable. It's everything you need for your next trip, especially when you're traveling for an extended period of time, but you only want to bring a personal item bag along. This thing will fit under the seat in front of you, and because of its small size, you'll have no problem carrying it as your everyday carry bag at your destination. But what do you think of this bag? Will you be picking one of these up from Fyro, or is it too similar to the Levo backpack that was recently released? Let me know in the comments below. As always, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.